So day 3, we're waking up in Puente La Reina. The room is honestly half clean, but one of the big aspects of bikepacking is you have to have everything in duffel bags, and every day you have to pack and repack and unpack. We're getting kind of an expert at this, except JC. Look at all his mess. We are leaving all the way to Logroño today. It's a kind of a long trek. It's actually what people walk into in 3 days. We're gonna do in 1 day. Right now we're gonna go to Puente La Reina, explore that. We didn't do that yesterday. Do some breakfast, and then actually we're gonna stop in the Correos, which is the mail service, and they can send stuff from your from here all the way to Santiago, which is gonna hold. And we have some extra stuff that we, like the bag that we brought everything in. We don't need that right now, so we're gonna send that out, and we're gonna eat breakfast, and then we're gonna keep going. All right. Okay, let's recap. After a quick breakfast in Puente La Reina, we will start our ride to Logroño. While today's terrain should not be too difficult, the distance might become painful at the end. As I said earlier, we're doing 3 walking stages today, so it's definitely going to be a long day. In the first part of the day, we will ride through the gentle rolling hills while visiting old medieval towns. Once we get to Estella, we will grab lunch and prepare ourselves for the feast of the day, a free wine fountain. Around the Camino there are tons of free water fountains, but today we get to pass through a historic wine fountain. Free wine for all peregrinos. Hopefully, after some wine, we have the energy to battle the sun as we ride through the golden fields of wheat of Los Arcos, and we depart the state of Navarra and cross into La Rioja. The rolling hills outside Vienna have little to no shade, so we have to protect ourselves. I am sure we'll be happy to see the city of Logroño. Total for the day, 45 miles and about 3,700 feet of elevation gain. What a better place to eat than in an old town in the middle of Spain. This is our breakfast today. How is it?
It's actually pretty good.
Can you translate that for the video?
This is
after every climb, there's a descent. O con querer queriendo. So we made it to Lorca. Lorca is a little bit higher, but you can see it's very pretty. They even have stone like, I don't know, I guess, soccer field. And don't think we can drink this one, but we can do this. Right into Estella. Almost there. One of the things that's amazing about the Camino is the Camino is right over here, right there. That it's on the other side of that little hill, right next to the road. So we decided that it would be better just to ride on the road. It's so peaceful and so quiet. Pretty much no cars on this autoway because the highway is right next door. It's a new highway, so all the cars go that way, and this is pretty much a huge bike lane for us. So we made it to Estella, and interesting, Estella is a sister city with Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, where we started our Camino. So it's kind of like we made it back to the sister city. JC is very tired, we're very hungry, we're gonna go eat. JC, I know this is the reason you did the Camino. We're here now.
You dropped something.
This is a fountain of wine. And then there's a message here that says, Peregrino, pilgrim, if you want to arrive to Santiago with strength and life, then you shall drink from this wine and cheer for happiness. Bodegas Irache. Would you drink water from a 1986 water fountain? You would if you were in this heat. It is so hot right now.
So as you can see, you need some protection. The sun is killing me. Killing us, I guess.
Really hot today. Just left Los Arcos and it's kind of getting late. It's like 5 o'clock and we have to go all the way to Logroño, which is like an hour that way. We're taking a little break, although we chose a spot that has no shade whatsoever. So why did we choose this spot? Because of this view. The way to Logroño is full of these little hills. You go up, you come down. You go up, you come down. So painful. I'm exhausted. We're in Viana, which is the last city in the state of Navarra. And it's very pretty. We didn't go inside because we are dead tired. We have to get to Logroño, but I wanted to show it to you. This is beep hard.
Yeah, right.
It's not tratada, so it's not treated for you can drink it. Okay.
Mira abajo como está verde.
How are you feeling?
Like crap.